In this video, I will be showing you how to use Wispr Flow more effectively to boost your productivity and streamline your writing. Let's get started. I'll begin in Google Docs, where I'll use the dictation feature to draft a follow-up email. Notice how I can just speak naturally, and Flow handles the transcription instantly, capturing my words as I think. Once my initial thoughts are down, I want to polish the message to make it more professional. I'll highlight the text and use command mode to ask the AI to make it more formal. Flow processes the request and replaces the text with a professional version right on the screen. To take it a step further, I'll highlight it again and command it to make the email even longer. This is perfect for adding more context and depth without any manual typing. After a brief processing moment, I have a complete, well-structured letter ready to go. Next, let's jump back into the Wispr Flow app to manage my workflow. I'll navigate to the snippets section in the sidebar to save my most used responses. I'll click Add New, title this one application, and paste a detailed email template into the expansion field. Saving this as a snippet means I can pull up this entire block of text whenever I need it. To see it in action, I'll open a new tab in Google Docs and simply speak the snippet name. The entire template populates the page instantly, saving me from repetitive typing and helping me get through my tasks faster than ever. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.